Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now, gather a screwdriver, flashlight, vacuum, cloth, and foil tape, and turn the HVAC off so you're safe. First, locate the problem vent and remove the grill by unscrewing or unclipping it. Keep screws in a small container. Once open, shine the flashlight into the duct to check for visible debris, loose metal, and disconnections. Make sure to note any crushed or disconnected flexible duct. That's what we'll address immediately after inspection. Once the grill is off, vacuum inside the duct, reaching as far as you can and wiping accessible surfaces with a damp cloth to remove settled dust. If the flexible duct is crushed or disconnected, pull it straight and either replace the damaged section or reattach it. Use a clamp or metal strap to secure the collar. Seal all seams with foil HVAC tape, not cloth tape, because it won't dry out. Make sure the duct runs free without kinks for proper airflow. Reinstall the grill by aligning it and tightening screws evenly so it sits flush. Don't over-tighten and strip the screw holes. Turn the system back on and stand nearby to feel the airflow and listen for rattles or whistling that indicate a loose connection. If airflow is still weak, make sure all room dampers are open and check adjacent vents for hidden blockages. Troubleshooting tip: if you hear persistent leaks, recheck all foil tape seals and add a clamp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.